Wait for me.
Okay, my dear.
Okay. Hello.
Okay, dear. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Oh, I
Oh,
don't want to play the mini test.
what did you say?
I don't want to play the mini test.
Oh, you don't want to play? I thought we will have. Okay, so we will go to here. to our new lesson. Oh no, where is it now? Okay, here. Our new lesson about what's our lesson about? Oh, what is that? What's its name?
Hannah.
Panda?
Hannah.
I see. What animal is that? Is that an animal?
Yes, that is a cat.
Oh, a purple cat. Very good. Okay. Okay, and we will learn tonight about animals too. Okay, can you tell me what animals in the picture?
Cow, chicken,
Yes.
sheep,
Whoa.
pig, rabbit, rock, paper, scissors. Dog. Ai Thắng mình trả lời.
And
Rock, paper, scissors.
okay, and the last one?
Horse.
Yes, what's the sound of cow?
Moo. Moo.
Yes.
Rock, paper, scissors. Cow, sound, moo.
Yes, very good. Okay.
Chicken, sass,
Very good. Okay, how about this?
A pig is I.
Yes, okay. How about this?
Look.
Yes, little brother, yes, you did it. How about sheep? Okay, yes. Very good. Okay, so we will learn about animals tonight. And let's see if you know many animals in the farm. Okay. But before that, let's listen some words, vocabulary. First word.
What? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay. First word is
Bat. Bat. Bat.
yes. Okay. Okay, again.
Bat.
Very good.
Crocodile.
Very good. Next.
Goat.
Goat. Dolphin. Butterfly. Camel. Dinosaur. Octopus. Swan.
Okay. Oh. Okay, what's this?
Here. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
What's this?
Bat.
Okay.
Rock,
Next.
paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors,
What's this?
Crocodile.
Okay. What's this?
Swan.
Okay. How about this? Rawr. Okay. And how about this? Yes. And this. Okay. And the last one.
Goat.
Okay. Now let's go to the next.
Butterfly. Chicken, banana.
Okay. You tell me how these animals move. Okay. First,
Rock, paper, scissors.
okay. Kangaroo first. How does kangaroo move?
Jump.
Okay, let's see. Oh, we have to put animals under their movement. Okay, what animals
Bird is
run.
fly. Bird is fly.
Okay, let's see. Oh,
Go.
another. Let's focus first on the animals that run. Okay, what animals do you know that runs?
Bat.
Bat?
No.
No,
No.
bat doesn't run.
Not have. Not have. Not have. Not have.
Okay, mouse runs, goat runs. What else?
Not have. Not have.
Okay, what else? What animals do you know that runs? Runs.
No.
How about dog?
It's not have dog in here.
Oh, okay, let's add, but you can add. You can add animals.
A dog, a cat.
Okay.
A bat, a bird, a bat, a bird, a parrot.
Oh, yes, very good. Okay.
Eagle, 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 eagle.
Okay, let's put this. Oh,
Jump is kangaroo.
let's add here.
Rabbit.
Okay, let's
Rabbit.
add here. What did you say? Dog, cat, animals that runs first. Dog, cat, tiger, right?
Look.
What else? Lion runs. The lion runs.
Lion,
Okay.
run.
Yes, runs first. How about animals that fly? What animals that fly?
A parrot, a eagle.
Yes, very good. Okay, let's add this up. Parrot, eagle.
Eagle.
What else?
Crow.
Butterfly, right?
Yes, butterfly. A bird.
Yes, bird.
Crow. Crow. Sea.
Oh, crow.
Crow.
Yes, what else? But animals that fly.
Chúa Giêsu.
Okay, so there's so many
Yes.
animals that fly. Okay. How about animals that jump? Jump and jump.
Dragon and the dragon.
Okay. Okay, let's see what animals. Here, what animals that jumps?
Bồ câu.
Does crocodile jump?
Yeah, teacher. Dove.
Oh, D-O-E?
Dove. D-O-V-E.
Oh, dove. It flies. Dove flies like a bird. Dove is a bird. Okay, we can add this here. Dove. How about animals that jump? Does crocodile jump? No? Yes.
Teacher. Ender dragon.
Dragon. Okay, let's see if there is.
Ender dragon.
Yeah, teacher.
Ender dragon.
Let's see if there is dragon here.
Ender dragon. Ender dragon.
You know that? You know.
No, what do you mean? Dragonfly?
No. Đây ở dưới đây có.
What do you mean by? What do you mean dragon?
Yeah, teacher. You know. I very ngừa.
Okay, there's a dragon that is very, very big. But there is also what we call dragonfly, which is very, very small. Okay, how about animals that swim? Okay, give me a name of an animal that swims.
Fish.
Very
Shark.
good.
Hammerhead shark.
Yes, okay. Fish and what else?
Crocodile.
What else? How about the fish that
Hammerhead
is
shark.
fish that is very, very big? What do you call that?
Clownfish.
Clownfish? Okay, clownfish. What else?
Mosasaurus.
What is that name? Name of the dinosaur?
Mosasaurus.
Okay, another name for
Mosasaurus.
okay, what dinosaurs do you know?
Do you know that? Do you know the people?
What the what? People?
Yes. Do
Okay.
you know the people?
People, what
That
kind of people, my dear? What is
that, teacher?
Oh, I don't know about that.
That is Lamine Yamal is the football player.
Oh, I see. Okay. Now let's go here. Give me a name of an animal that hops.
Con cái túi của Yến ở đá Bắc này đâu? Đã làm đâu?
Okay, give me an animal that hops. Okay, hops or jump.
Kangaroo.
Yes. What else?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Yes. What else? Lizard. Okay, lizard on walls. Okay, in the house. They also hop or they jump. Okay, so let's go to the next
You know
one.
that?
Yes, my dear, what is it? Okay. Okay, now let's fill this up. Yes, to give you parrot, butterfly, frog. What else? What else? What animals that jumps? Aside from bird, kangaroo, and frog. Okay, let's add.
Frog.
Yes, frog. Rabbit.
What
Rabbit. Oh, where is my frog here? I have a frog here. I don't know where I put it.
Frog.
Okay, what's the sound of frog? Do you know what's the sound of frog? Here, I have the frog.
Teacher, I have the mini play game.
Okay, what game?
That is,
Oh, we will play a game in the next slide. Okay, what do you mean? What game do you mean? Yes, my dear, what is it?
yeah, teacher.
Guessing what the item is, and then guessing whether it's real or fake.
Teacher.
Okay, again, please.
Okay.
Guessing what the item is, and then guessing whether it's real or fake.
Okay, what's the item?
Literal.
For example, how will we play that?
Yeah. Exam. You have the toy, and you talk with me. What is this? That is
Okay. Oh yes, we will do that. Okay, but before that, let's read this first. What animals that run?
run, mouse, goat, crocodile, cat,
What animals that
fly,
fly?
bird, parrot, butterfly, bird, kangaroo, frog, house,
Horse.
swim,
Horse.
fish, horse, swim, fish, crocodile, dolphin, octopus,
And
hawk, kangaroo, bird, rabbit, insects.
Okay. Okay, so I will tell you, I have here an animal, and who will guess? You will guess. I have here an animal, and you guess. Okay?
You have the animal.
Yes, I have here an animal. Okay, first, you guess its name. Okay? It is a small animal.
Me too.
Okay, you have an animal too?
Yes, it have the small animal too.
Okay. Okay, oh, by the way, I will guess your animal. I will tell the name of your animal, okay? I will ask you a question. Is it big or small?
Small.
Okay. Does it fly or jump?
Fly.
Oh. Does it have different colors?
Yes.
Is it a butterfly?
No.
No. Does it make honey?
What is honey?
Honey, the one, it's like water, but it's very sweet. It is made by an animal that flies.
Yes.
Really? Okay. Is it a bee?
No.
B-E-E? Bee? No.
No.
Is it okay,
Okay.
what is its color?
Not honey. That is not honey. It have different colors. It's very funny.
Oh, very funny animal.
And people in Vietnam is very like it. It have the half fly is have it's like Pikachu in different color.
Oh, is it a parrot?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now I have here. It's my animal here. Okay, now you guess. I have here my animal. Okay, you ask me question.
That is fly or jump or run or
It
swim or
jumps.
jump.
This animal jumps.
That is kangaroo.
No? Ask me more questions.
That is have the white color.
White color? No. It's usually brown or green.
Brown or green. A frog?
Okay, yes. Yes, frog. Okay, one last animal. Okay, do you have one? I will guess. Do you have one that in your room? Okay. Is that animal can run or fly or jump, swim or hop?
Wait for me.
Okay, look for an animal toy.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, you have your animal now. Does it run, fly, jump, swim, or hop?
It's run and fly.
Oh, it can
It's
run.
sometimes fly.
Oh, it can run and fly. Is it big
The
or small?
animal small. The animal is see the people. The animal is run.
Oh, okay. It's
That
not.
is
It can run. It can fly. It is small.
that is insects.
Oh, insect. It can run, fly.
Ninja. It's very
Is it
ugly. Yeah, it's very ugly.
ugly?
Yeah.
Oh no, what is that animal?
Ninja.
Its color, is it black?
No, that is brown.
Oh. Oh no, that is hard. What is that animal? Oh no.
You know?
Oh no, I don't know. It runs, it flies, it's brown. It's an insect. It's ugly. Oh no, what is that animal? Oh no.
Correct.
What?
Correct. Correct. No. Correct. Correct. That's the animal.
Cockroach.
Oh, cockroach. Okay. Yes. It's ugly and I think it's dirty. It runs
dirty.
on garbages. Okay. Okay, my dear,
Garbage.
very good. Oh no, I lose, you win. Very good. High five. Okay, good job.
Teacher,
Okay.
cockroach.
Yes, cockroach. Okay, now let's go to the next. Okay, here. Okay, can you put a line? Okay. Draw a line to the name of the animal.
Okay, it's very easy. Okay, teacher.
Yes, very good. But what animal that is not in the picture? Yes, very good. Dinosaurs. Now this is a little bit difficult. Okay, next. Now you have to find. Okay, let's clean this up. Okay. Number one, you guess. What is this animal? Number one.
Oh, that is the game.
Yes,
That's
okay, you guess this. What is this animal? Okay, let's read first.
this wild animal
Wild
uses
animal. Wild
as
animal. Again, please. Again, my dear, please.
wild animal.
Okay, please continue.
This wild animal usually has gray fur, and when it feels frightened, it hops away very quickly. That is a rabbit. This
Yes.
an insect
Insect.
that works hard to make money.
Honey.
Is bee.
Yes, it's a bee. Okay, number 3. Oh, it's time now. Okay, can we answer this real quick? Okay, can you answer number 3?
In Vietnam is 21, 50, 59.
Okay. Okay. Can you answer number 3, my dear? Let's answer this quick.
This animal has a long neck and can carry heavy bags for a long time in hot, dry place. Camel.
Yes, very good.
These
Okay.
big birds are usually white. They have long necks and live near rivers and lake. Swan.
Yes.
Animal lives in the sea and has 8 long arms. Octopus.
Yes, very
These
good.
wings with lots of different colors on them. They fly and sit on plants and flowers. Butterfly.
Yes.
This animal and insects
Extinct.
now,
Not
so
living
we
anymore.
can only see them in cartoons, films, story books, and museum. Crocodile.
Oh, but crocodile are still living right now. Number 7, this animal is not living anymore.
Dinosaur.
Yes, very good. Okay, good job, my dear. Yes, it's time now. See you next week. Bye-bye. Happy evening. Bye-bye.